Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have two recipes centered around this fruit. It is a green papaya. If you've been to like a Thai restaurant, you might have tried this. The most common styles of papaya salad are a Thai or Lao style, and there's also a Cambodian style, and recently I found out that there is a Vietnamese style. So the whole reason for this video was because I really want to try this Vietnamese style papaya salad. So I am going to make two different versions for the first time because I'm really craving papaya salad, and I found one. I hope it's not bad. I don't know if you can see this. It's like discolored. So hopefully I get enough out of it. If this is, I don't know if it froze and that's why it's doing this, but I just realized it's like weird looking. I'm gonna show you how I've seen to prepare the papaya. I've just never done it before, so I will be right back. I'm going to start just by peeling the papaya. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on here. It seems fine. I'm gonna peel down to the white because it's still kind of green, and I don't know if leaving that amount will taste bitter like with any other fruit. I mean, I guess some fruits it's not. There are different ways that you can cut a papaya into the strips. If you have like a tool like this one has teeth, and this is like a shredding type of tool. I also have this one. I'm going to be using this one because it's more prominent cuts, whereas this one, it seems like it'd make wavy strips. I think it makes strips, but I just, I like using this one. If you don't have either of these tools, leave it whole like this, and you take it and just cut over and over into like the same area. And then you just cut in the place where you did that, and it should make strips, just like that. So with this tool, I'm gonna cut the papaya in half, get everything out, and then just shred it. Then with this tool, you just do that and it makes little strips. So I believe either way works fine, whatever way you decide to do it. All right, and there's all our papaya. I'm gonna split this in half and make it into my two papaya recipes. I am going to soak this in ice water because I think that helps crisp it up. Here's the papaya. I'm just going to let it soak in ice cold water for 15 to 20 minutes, and that gives me time to prep all the other ingredients for both recipes. For the beef jerky, it looks like this. It's extremely thin. This is the bag that I found at my market. But basically, I'm just taking it and cutting it into strips. And this is going to be for the Vietnamese style papaya salad. I really like beef jerky like this because it's really sweet and tasty. I think this kind is dried in extremely thin strips, and then they're fried. At least like the fresh kind that I've had, after they're dried, they're fried. And it's like rice crisp where you just fry them really, really fast, like they're flash fried almost. Naturally, it seems like a gluten-free product. Like there's sugar, salt, garlic, sesame seeds, chili, and preservatives. Someday I'll figure out how to make it myself so that I can make it fresh. But for now, I'm just going to put together the recipe, see how it is, and then invest in that time or find someone that makes them fresh. I used to know someone that would make these fresh and they were delicious. For the Vietnamese style papaya salad, just gonna go over the ingredients really quick and then I will show preparation. For the components, you need the papaya, which we already prepared, and then I'm going to shred cucumber and carrot in the same exact way as the papaya. And I'm just gonna do equal amounts. So I'm gonna do about 1.5 cups of each. And then we have the Asian beef jerky, some peanuts, which will be for garnish. And then I have some fresh herbs that will be set on at the end later. I also will throw in just probably 1 or 2 of these Thai chilies. And I'm also going to boil some shrimp, and then this is traditionally served with shrimp crackers. I did not make these, I just bought a pack of snack crackers. This is how it is enjoyed in Vietnam, I guess. Okay, for this sauce, you're going to need 100 milliliters of fish sauce, 200 grams of sugar, the juice of 2 limes, about 3 minced garlic, or like a tablespoon of garlic, and about a tablespoon of chili pepper. I don't know if you've seen in my previous videos how I make nuoc cham, which is a Vietnamese condiment used in a lot of dishes in Vietnamese cuisine. This is basically that condiment without water. So I feel like the vegetables in the papaya salad will kind of make up for that watery note to mellow it out. This is like a concentrated version of that. Heat this up until the sugar dissolves, and right when the sugar dissolves, I will mix everything else together and let it sit and cool down for about 15 minutes. I don't know why, but this seems like it's a lot of sugar. I'm just gonna whisk it and stir it around on a high heat until the sugar dissolves and then pull it right off. I'm gonna put gloves on to chop these, and I'm just gonna chop them really fine. I'm just gonna try it. Oh yeah, that's like a highly concentrated nuoc mam. It's very balanced though. It's sweet and spicy and has that citrus. There is the sauce for the Vietnamese papaya salad. I mean, okay, Vietnamese papaya salad. Like, look at this extravagance. Holy moly. Wow. For the Thai version, besides the sauce and the papaya, the only other thing I'm going to be adding is cherry tomatoes, and I think I will also serve it on a bed of purple cabbage, because the way that I've had it, it's with the white cabbage. Like they put a big wedge with it, or they make like a bed of it and lay the papaya salad over it. For the Thai papaya salad, I don't have, a molcajete. I don't know how to say it in English. So I'm just going to make the sauce in a blender. I have a couple cloves of garlic minced, and I'm gonna do the same amount of chilies. I'll do 5. I have a tablespoon and a half of dried shrimp. They look like this. They're just little shrimp. About a tablespoon and a half of sugar. I just need a couple teaspoons of tamarind juice. A tablespoon and a half of fish sauce. So say 1 and a half. Also in this one, the juice of 2 limes. And this is the papaya salad I grew up having and have known about. How I never knew about a Vietnamese style until now is beyond me. I don't know if this is too much. It probably is. It feels like it is. So I'm gonna stop at 1 and a half. And then I'm just gonna blend this all up. Typically when this is made in molcajete, again, I don't know how to say or what that thing is called. Typically the sauce is pounded into a paste. This is really liquidy. Again, this is my first time making this, so I don't know if this is correct, but we're gonna roll with it. And this is the Thai style sauce. I gotta like smush this in with my hands, because once the papaya salads are sauced, you have to let them sit for 15 minutes to kind of let the sauce soak into the papaya and the vegetables. And then I'm just going to plate them. To serve the Thai papaya, I'm going to plate it. I've had this with white cabbage, but all I have is purple, so I am just going to serve it with purple. I'm just gonna add all of the juice because I really like that, especially when you have like grilled meats and sticky rice. It's really good to dip in that sauce. All right, there are my 2 papaya salads. On this side here, we have our Vietnamese version papaya salad. And on this side, we have a Thai papaya salad. This one, oh my gosh, there's so much going on here. Let me give you a close-up of this salad. We have all that papaya, cucumber, carrot, shredded jerky, shrimp, that sauce, all the fresh herbs. We have some peanuts, and then we have our shrimp crackers on the side to enjoy with the salad. And then this one has the papaya and the cherry tomatoes and some cabbage. These look so good. And don't let the simplicity of how it looks fool you. It is still super tasty and amazing. I'm excited to try them. All right, I'm gonna try these out, see how I did. I think 1 lime would have been enough, or a little more fish sauce, but that is exactly how I remember papaya salad. I grew up eating Thai papaya salad. For the Vietnamese version, I got as much of everything as I could pile on here. So I'm gonna try to fit this all in my mouth to try it. This tastes like something I had a long time ago. I mean, I was a little girl at this like Vietnamese gathering of some sort. I don't know if it was like a New Year's thing, and they had a huge platter of this and I loved it so much, but nobody ever tell me what it was, and at the time I didn't even know it was papaya. Have you watched what was that movie called? It's on Disney. It's the Ratatouille. When the guy eats the dish and it transports back in time to a comfort food that his grandma or mom used to make, like that is what happened when I had a bite of this one. Compared to this, it is much sweeter, and you need the shrimp crackers because it kind of cuts on the sweetness. You need like the savoriness from the shrimp cracker, but this is insane and delicious. Both of them are really good. I keep getting interrupted. I don't know where I left off. I tried both of these. This one's a little more tart, sour flavor and spicy, and this one's really sweet, and the crackers kind of lend it a savory note, but definitely a lot sweeter. They're both really good. I recommend you give this a try. This is a really interesting take, and I can't believe it has taken me this long to find this dish and make it. So if you're interested in how I made this, check the description below. I'll have all the ingredients listed. Thank you so much for joining me today and watching my video. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you are not, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.